This is a blown-in cellulose product called New Wool. This product is applied with a glue and a binder. So what they do is they take a spray apparatus and they spray it in, and then they have another apparatus which is like a brush, and they brush it off so it becomes flush with our studs. And then we let this sit for approximately a week, depending on the exterior weather outside. And when we're all said and done, this becomes a very, very dense bat system here, and it's actually adhered to the studs, so we have very little air infiltration. This is really one of our favorite products to utilize. It's cost effective and works really well. So the roof system in this house is a little different than typical. The most typical system that we see in a roof is a vented roof system, but being that this is a flat roof, we have a non-vented roof system. So what we've chosen to do is use what's referred to as a flash and bat method. So what we do is we apply 4 inches of closed cell spray foam up on the roof deck, and this is what's capturing the lion's share of our energy loss, and it's also air sealing that upper area. And then below we have an R19 fiberglass bat that gets installed right below that closed cell foam. So basically this entire cavity is filled with insulation, giving us an approximate R value of R49.